Rocket ship go, floating in space where the opposites glow. Big and small, fast and slow. Let's learn the words that make the cosmos flow. Kids crouch low, then leap high like a rocket launch. Opposite orbits spin around, up and down, lost and found. Hot and cold, day and night. Opposites make the universe bright. See that planet big and round, a tiny moon spins all around. Stretch up tall, scrunch up small, opposites make the cosmos grand. Up goes a comet streaking high, down it falls from the starry sky. Reach up to Saturn, touch down to Mars, opposites guide our spacebound cars. Kids pose fast and bright, slow-mo asteroid drifts in the night. Run fast as zoom, then slow-mo glide, opposites rule this cosmic ride. In the spaceship, cozy and tight, out in the void, infinite night. Step in the pod, hop out to explore, opposites open the universe door. Day and night, dark and light, near and far, left and right. Float like you're weightless, flip upside down, opposites turn the spaceship town. Big and small, up and down, fast and slow, hot and cold, spin around. Opposite orbit, we've learned a ton. Mission accomplished, great job, everyone. That planet big and round, tiny moon spins all around. The tiny moon spins all around. Stretch up tall, lurch up small, opposites make the cosmos grand. See that planet big and round, a tiny moon spins all around. Stretch up tall, rush, scrunch up small, opposites make the cosmos grand. Up goes the comet, streaking high, down it falls from the starry sky. Reach up to Saturn, touch and sound to Mars, opposites guide our spacebound cars. Meteor zoom, fast and bright, sumo asteroid drifts and bright, sumo asteroid drifts in the night. Fast and bright, sumo asteroid drifts in the night. Rub your hammer, takes and move a clock, brutal's cause some drifts and world. And bright, slow-mo asteroid drifts in the night. Pluto's cold, a frozen world. Rock fast and bright, slow-mo asteroid drifts in the night. Was the comet streaking high, out it falls from the starry sky. Jump to Saturn, touch down to Mars. Opposites rule this cosmic ride. Kids point up, then touch toes. Now fast and bright, slow-mo asteroid drifts in the night. Run fast, fast zoom and slow-mo glide. Opposites rule this cosmic ride. Kids brunt in place, then moonwalk slowly. Sun's hot rays burn fiery gold. Pluto's cold, a frozen world. Rub your hands hot, sizzle, shiver cold. Opposites in space are bold. Opposites in space are bold. Then shiver dramatically. In the spaceship, cozy and tight. Out in the void, infinite night. Step in the pod clip, hop out to explore. Opposites open the universe's door. Kids mimic stepping into a pod in space. Shut cozy and tight, out in the void, infinite night. Step in the pod, like hop to explore. Opposites turbine the universe's door.